konnichiwa. This household loves gardening. And a special, what shall I say, whereabout. The stone tells where you are here. Yeah, address. How do you call it? Landmark? Landmark?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is a collection of the visitors to 150 temples. Each temple will give you a signature and a stamp for those who visit. And Saint Kobo, who runs the temple in Koyasan, features this special stamp collector's item. And this is an artist book for the singers to sing along with the artist on the stage. You see the postures, the singers know which postures he has, so he sings to the book. Tremendous art. It's a no drama with a mask covered your face. Oh, here's a mask of the artist. And the story, the whole story, we may visit a Chinese ink store where we see how to draw. So let's go into that store. Ohayou gozaimasu. Takes years before you can write. I'm making an ink, so be ready for picture. Water first, then very expensive ink stone to make an ink stronger, thicker. So when the ink is ready, you write 1, 2, 3. This is your head, and this is your eyes, and this is your shoulder, this is your heart, and this is your leg, which indicates love. Each one of you do anyway. First name?
Monica.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3 makes mo.
Mo. Okay.
Right.
Me
Right here. Good. Mm-hmm.
Ish.
2 dots. Spin up. Very good. Push down. Yeah. Considering this is the first time to learn. Holding this angle, never change, and your arm should move accordingly. Always not like this, not like this.
Keep the wrist.
Yeah, right. One direction. Push in and spin. 2 dots. Pretty good. Oh, I'm sweating.
I'm nervous.
This is too long distance. Very spin, simple. What?
What?
No, one move including a spin.
So one move
Spin.
Spin.
That's it.
That spin too long.
Okay. Here.
Proportionally, this is longer.
Okay.
Long and little.
Long and then little.
Yeah. Very good.
Okay.
And then we fan ourselves up. We got through it together.
Hey, bees get degrees.
Next store is a Japanese restaurant. And this book is a sample book of my life story. There is no one else have done what I have done. I have a teaching class sometime. Those who like to cut an apple in there. I jumped over that moat for 50 times.
50 times. What?
Until 60 years old. I like to take chances.
Yeah.
That's my farm and near my house. That's the biggest one I have ever grown in 60 years. A newspaper took it.
How heavy?
3.5 kilograms. The head, like your head. Another one is from one root grows 5 pieces.
Oh, wow.
5 kilo total.
Wow. Good yield.
Yep. That's my cat. He's 6 years old now. We can leave now. Oh. Hey, good news. Very interesting local food that you never meet anywhere. これ材料何やったかな? From seafood, they created this gelatin-like food. See how he
Oh, wow.
make a noodle type.
From seafood?
Yeah,
Huh.
yeah. Special invention
Yeah.
in Japan. Eat 5 to 10 threads.
5 to 10 threads.
Yeah. You gotta get closer.
Get closer.
これなんぼやな。はい。Similar to the same products, this grows from the bottom of the sea and grows up to that high. Yeah.
That's what that. This
Yeah.
is what that's made out of.
This is bent. No,
No,
but
it's
similar.
similar.
We make soup out of this. Very expensive too.
Expensive.
Most important to make Japanese food. Sea kelp.
Sea kelp. Okay.
Sea kelp.
Sea kelp. Okay.
The grass is growing from the ground directly about 20 feet. This will kill the people. Hardest fish in the world. Takes 6 months to make complete one. 4,500 yen. That is $30.
Wow.
This piece. To make a good soup.
Dashi. Yeah.
Dashi. Hi, dashi. See, hold one. Your fingers dangerous.
Yeah. Don't.
Hey,
Please push.
Yeah.
stronger,
もうちょっ
stronger,
Bigger knock.
stronger and faster.
と。あ、いいよ、おった、うん。
Oh, I heard
Nice.
it. Yes.
See how much I got?
Did you eat takoyaki? おーい、
あ、こんにちは。
それちょうだい。
はい。8
え、8個、はい。はい。
ソースどうしましょう。普通のソースです。
そうそう。Sit down and have a wild life.
That's good.
そうですよ。定着はしているかなと思うんですけど、私も今年の買いました。あれ、去年も持ってる方。
Don't eat now.
Wow.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, too hot.
Oh, you know that?
No, I'm just saying, are they too hot?
Oh,
Yeah.
deadly
Yeah,
hot.
Yeah, I figured.
Okay.
Deadly hot.
You take the taco out.
Huh?
You can eat outside.
Oh, you mean at the outside? Yeah, we'll eat the squid part.
What do you think?
Very good.
Yeah?
I like
dig in here for a
I
little
like the,
piece of-
the glaze they got. on
Yeah.
there. The bite that I got on my GoPro.
Okay, next program. Fashion show. Yeah, pure silk and gold.
Oh wow.
Yeah, embroidery. Look at all the pot box. Kimono is a general name of wearing all the material. So mostly indicating Japanese traditional wearing. So kimono is mainly for all the type of Japanese costume.
You're wearing kimono now?
Yes, but this is modern kimono.
Modern kimono.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey, beauties! Hey, hey, hey. Striking. Shake. Thank you. Fashion show is over. Inspection tours for local supermarket. Might as well cut. I need this for the show. Would you help? Just hold it to the cashier.
Yep.
Two apples.
Okay.
That's beautiful. Okay, let's go. This is the best corner of high graded beef. 800, 900, 600, 700 per 100 gram. 4.500 gram is 1 pound. So 5 times is a price for 1 pound.
レジ袋よろしかった
はいはい、大きなやつちょうだい。
らとりあえず1枚でかしこま
はい
りました。2427円です。
はい。お願い、はい。
はい、お預かりいたします。
We go to the Shinto Shrine for my show. He knows the Shinto Shrine. We take her to taxi. Okay, get in. Now your practice would be perfect if you can cut one each.
Oh, one each.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Wait, now, okay.
Oh wow. So not all of them.
Oh.
Yep. Yep.
Wow.
40 years. Good.
Ooh.
Oh.
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 Ooh.
Goody mackerel.
Wow.
Nice.
Very good. Ready?
Ready. Whoa.
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 Second chance.
Wow.
Whoa.
That was good.
Look at that. It's right in the middle.
Right.
Dang.
Wow.
Go too low. Yeah. I'm trying not to. Come at me fast.
Oh, nice. Very good. He's good. He did play baseball. Woo!
Plus.
A plus. You got an A plus. Nice. Nice job, Andrew. No pressure.
Yeah, thanks.
Nice.
That was scary. That was scary.
All right. Well, I guess you're ready for the apple.
I taught 2 Americans. Both of them got on Guinness Book.
Oh yeah.
Now, ready? Whoosh!
Yeah.
And this is what I cut. And this is
Wow.
what you cut.
Oh, don't make.
Ooh.
Need the test.
Good job.
Yeah!
Woo.
Great.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Good job.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Wow.
Very fun.
B minus minus.
Yeah.
See, it fit.
Ooh.
Holy mackerel.
Nice.
One, 2, 3 times. Okay. So stay, hold the tight. Okay.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, got it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, well, closer.
Yeah. You would lose 2 fingers.
Yeah, yeah, I can probably.
You didn't.
I did not.
I didn't either. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
I go fast, okay?
Okay.
Don't laugh. Ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Stop!
Whoa.
Wait.
Wow.
Skin
Whoa.
deep.
Wow.
Wow.
Are you happy?
Alive.
No insurance needed.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Wow.
Look at it.
Good work.